What's up, you guys? We're back again with the Silverado. Today we're going to be working on the LEDs. We're going to do LEDs for the headlights, new headlight housings, reverse lights, that little light right there, and possibly the interior light. So for the reverse lights, we got these bulbs from Auxito. They are size 3157 white. I'll show you how they look. These are it. I'm gonna take one out of the package. See what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna remove the original one right now. I think this one doesn't work. Let me turn on the truck real quick. The reverse lights are on. You can see that's it right there. This one doesn't turn on. So you go back here, and since we don't have the inner bed sides, it's easier for us to access the plugs. But if you have your stock bed, then you just remove 2 bolts or 2 little screws that go right here. I think they're Torx, and then you can pull out the tail light. But for us, all we have to do is reach in here, make sure we get the reverse light, which is this one down here. See if I have enough space. You can see this one's bad. Just pull it out. It's kind of white. You plug in the new one. I have to do that with 2 hands. Make sure that it turns on. Once we're sure that it's on, you slide it back in. And you just turn it clockwise to lock it in, counterclockwise to remove it. So you can see a huge difference already from that light that we just installed to the original one. It also looks way better. This is white and that's yellow. So on this side, I'm gonna pull it out as well. I'm gonna have to get the other bulb ready. There you have it, both reverse LED lights installed. Now we're gonna move over to this one up here, the rear cab light. I don't know what it's called, cargo light I think, or something like that. And put the truck in park. So this is what the light looks like as it is, yellow. I think we're just gonna use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove that. Let me take a look. There is 2 Phillips head screws, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, and then we'll pull out the actual light. Once you remove the 2 screws, you're just able to put your nail right here on the edge and pry on the light, pull it out. And you can see these 2 right here are for the brake light, and then these right here on the outsides, those are for the cargo area. Just remove those 2. And then we're gonna get some lights from our little box over here. We have a couple of different lights. So I think we're gonna be using either these or these. I'm gonna try one of each, and then we'll see which one looks better. I can't remember exactly where I got these. These are from Auxito. These, I don't remember where I got them. So let's see. I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. Oh, and I also have these. So I might try those as well. On the right side, we have the Auxito. We put this one. I think this is like a T10. And then on the left side, we put these. I forgot where we got this one from. But we're gonna turn it on, see which one's brighter. Go. I don't know if you guys, hold on, let me turn off the phone. I don't know if you guys could tell, but this one's way brighter than this one. Turn it off. All right, now we're gonna try this one. Pull this one out. And we're gonna install this one. Go. This one's still brighter. I don't know if you guys could tell. This one looks a little blue. That one looks a little bit nicer in color, but this one's still brighter. Now that we have both bulbs installed, we're gonna go ahead and install the screws. We're gonna save these just because we know that they're good. We might use it for another vehicle. So, put these back. We are inside the truck now, and we're gonna get to this light. So it's dying out. To take the little cover off, you can see that there's a little cutout right here. You can stick a screwdriver or a pick. We just have this little pick that we're gonna use, and it comes off like that. So it's a small bulb, as you can see. Shit. There you go. I don't want to touch it because it was on right now. Oh, it's not even hot. Okay, so here we have a couple of these still left. So we're gonna use these. We got these on eBay, I believe. They are pretty bright. We have one on Toyota, and we put one, I don't know what other car. But it's basically a universal kit. There was like a bunch of these for like a couple of bucks, I think like $7. So I'm gonna show you the light. I'm gonna show you what it comes with. I don't know if they still have these, to be honest. This was like a couple of years ago when we got these. So this is the light that came off, right? And then this is the one that we're gonna put on. So this whole thing is the LED. This is the plug for the universal connection. So since you have this type of bulb, we're gonna use this connection. It also has this one for the T10, which we're not gonna use. And it comes with the double-sided tape, so you can mount it somewhere if you have space for that. So then this one just goes like this. You can see where the black and black goes. You just plug them together, and then you put that side where the bulb goes. Shit, it's not gonna work. So it works a little bit. Basically, you can see it's kind of on and off because these things are a little too loose. It's not the right size. We're still gonna make it work though. Let me go ahead and get some pliers or something. I'm just gonna bend these in, and we're gonna clean some of the dirt off from here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But basically, we're just gonna let the little LED sit right here, and we're gonna put this back up. It's in, so I'm gonna open the door just to show you guys. Let me turn off the phone real quick. That's how bright it is. The only downside to this bulb is that you can see the square in there. And we're just gonna leave that one. We do have these that we could have used, but we have too many of these. You can see it's way brighter than that yellow one that I had. Now let's move over to the front. Now we're gonna start doing the front end. We're gonna be replacing these headlights. As you can see, these have a lot of that oxidation on them, so they look yellow. And I'm gonna turn on the headlight so you can see what it looks like right now. Okay, so you're not gonna be able to see very much, but the light is on. So we back away a little bit, you can see the warning, well, the amber light, and then the headlight, which is on. So you can see it's just yellow, and then the orange one, and then they should have a bulb right here, the one that stays on during the day, but they had already removed that one. Then the high beams go here. So we're basically just gonna focus on this bulb and the actual housings. So this is what we're going with. These are just headlights off of eBay. They were like $70 I think. for the set of 4. And people on fucking OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace want like 100 to 120 for these. And for the light bulbs, we're just gonna use these off of eBay. We're gonna try these out. I don't know if they're any good, but they are anyhow LED headlights. I think these are like the 9006. Oh no, 9005. 9006 I think is the high beam or something like that. So this truck, they put 2 of these screws to hold it in, I guess, so it won't fly out while off-roading. This one already flew out, so that didn't really work. I think just pop this out like that, and this one's broken, so that's also a reason why I had the screws. And then there's 2 more down here. Should be 2 on the, well, 1 on each side on the edge, but this one is broken. So we're gonna start off by removing this lower headlight, and it just has a clip style thing like this. So you just push it in and you're able to pull it out. And then on this side just hooks onto this plastic. But basically that's all you do, just twist the headlight, just twist the bulb socket and pull back, and it should come off. So now we're just gonna install all those lights. So those 3 lights, we're gonna install them into the new housing. Now that we have all 3 bulb sockets installed, we're gonna hook this side in like that, and then on this side just push it in, and that's it. So now for the top one, I think this one's a little different. Pull this out, set it aside, and then this one just comes off like that. Oh, and there's 2 little tabs right there. So pull it back and then pull it up. So this is the high beam, which I think we're gonna leave this bulb in, and then this is the low beam. We're gonna remove this bulb. So this bulb was giving us a little bit of issues because you can see that the mounting surface for the bulb is a little sunk in, and on these they're almost completely flat. So we went ahead and pulled out the bulb that it had for the, and we installed the new one. Just make sure that the LED chips are facing to the side, and then we plug them in. Now we're going to insert the tabs on the bottom. And then slide this forward and put the pin through. And then this is the adjustment, so you could tilt the headlight forward or back a little bit, just depending on how it is pointing at the moment. So we're planning to install the HD hood along with the new headlights, but we can't find any good deals on the hood, and so this will do for now. See a big difference from that side to this side. Let me go ahead and turn on the headlights. This side is the old headlight with the old bulb. Go over to this side. This is the new headlights with the new bulb. should be white. Looks a little blue. That's fine. It's better than the old ones. Now we're having a little issue with this pin, so it's not going in through this. So we're just gonna drill this out to the next size, also on this side, so it can go all the way through, and then we'll be able to put the pin in and lock it into place. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. There you go. Now we have both headlights in. We also had to drill out the one on the passenger side for the pin to go in on the top one. So now all we have to do is keep looking for the HD hood and the grill. Well, that's it for this video. We're gonna be leaving a discount link below for the Auxito website. You could get a discount on your whole purchase by using that link. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.